What a smart mom cooks for her picky kid. Hi, I am Mary. I am a loving mom of my boy, Tommy. I love him very much, but there is one big problem. My son is a very picky eater. He hates vegetables. He only wants to eat chicken nuggets and fries, but that is not healthy, right? But do not worry. Today I have a brilliant plan. I will make something magical called veggie nuggets. He will think it is chicken, but it is full of healthy vegetables. To begin with, I take some white beans. I mash them with a fork straight away. Perfect. They become very soft and smooth like a cloud. Next, I grate some carrots and zucchini. I cut them into tiny, tiny pieces. Tommy will have no idea there are veggies here. Afterwards, I put everything into one big bowl. I add cheese, 1 egg, and some flour. Then I mix it all with a big smile. Wow, it smells so good. I can hear Tommy saying yummy in my head. Everything is ready for the next step. I am so excited. Now, this is a very important step. I use a small spoon to scoop perfect little round nuggets. I use my damp hands to shape them. Be careful, each of them must be round and cute. Then, I roll each nugget in breadcrumbs. Look at them. They look like real chicken nuggets now. Finally, I put the tray into the oven. I need to bake them until they are golden brown. I watch them through the glass. See you in 30 minutes, little nuggets. Meanwhile, I prepare a glass of orange juice. Drinking juice is very healthy for kids. My secret plan is almost ready. Ding, ding! Yay! They are golden and beautiful. It is time to call Tommy. Tommy, dinner is ready, I shout. Tommy looks at the plate very slowly. He picks up one nugget. He smells it with a suspicious face. Please eat it. Please like it. He takes a small bite. Then he takes a big bite. His eyes go wide with surprise. Mom, this is the best nugget ever. Yay! I did it! I am the winner today. My son is eating carrots and beans. Being a mom is a wonderful job. Love gives us many great ideas every day. We can do wonders because of our love for the family. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. Who is Mary cooking for? Answer. She is cooking for her son, Tommy. Question 2. What kind of food does Tommy usually want to eat? Answer. He only wants to eat chicken nuggets and fries. Question 3. What ingredients does Mary add to the big bowl? Answer. She adds white beans, carrots, zucchini, cheese, 1 egg, and some flour. Question 4. What does Mary do with the nuggets before baking them? Answer. She rolls each nugget in breadcrumbs. Question 5. What does Tommy say after eating the nuggets? Answer. He says that it is the best nugget ever. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.